Every other day we come across stories of distressed home buyers who have sunk in their life savings into projects which are nowhere close to completion. Today we report on the case of Mark Properties in Chennai and the mess they've gotten their customers into.
No billboards, no indication that this is the project site of Savitanjali by Mark Properties in Chennai. Lured by advertisements talking of state-of-the-art infrastructure, many customers put in their life savings, and today, 3 years later, their dream homes are still just skeletons. Savitanjali. Started in April 2010, the premium gated community is just 4 kilometers from the Kelambakam junction on the OMR-IT Expressway. Mark Properties Limited had promised handover of Phase 1 in 2013, but looking at a 40% completed stagnant project, the buyers don't have much hope.
The bank also told me it is an approved project, so I agreed for it and went for it. But now, after looking into it very closely, I find I've been taken for a ride.
There's no work being done actually. If you go to the flat, right, it's a deserted place. It's pretty desolate and you won't feel like even going there.
Home buyers allege a long list of fraud by the builder and the banks. Advances were collected even before obtaining the environmental clearance. No objection certificates still not handed over to the banks. Builder had asked for an extra fee of 100 rupees per square foot, citing price increase of commodities in a tie-up with a local builder, Excess Real Constructions, which eventually fell apart. Construction has been stopped for 2 years now.
I've gone to the Commissioner office, I've gone to the Consumer Court, I've gone to the CM cell, I've gone to PM cell, I've gone to the media, I've done Dharna, everything. I've given all the exposure that these guys have done. I've gone to the banks who had approved the loans, both the scheduled bank which financed the project and Axis Bank and Bank of India. Both of them have simply stretched their hands.
When NDTV contacted the MD of Mark Properties, GRK Reddy, he denied all allegations and assured, we had monetary issues, but today we are at a point where we are closing deals, moving forward. We will deliver Phase 1 in 12 to 15 months. However, home buyers believe this assurance is a mere eyewash, and so they, as an association, have decided to go legal.
When the home buyers are able to come together on a common platform and initiate strategic legal action, one after the other, they would be able to see better results.
Home buyers are betting on the Real Estate Regulatory Act to come into being at the earliest to respite from such situations. In Chennai, with camera person Sukumaran Raja, Smita TK for NDTV.
And that's the reason we tell you that it's really, really important to do thorough research before you